Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to Foxtecc, and in this video I'm gonna walk you through the process of renaming your Magic Mouse second generation or even the first one using your Mac. Now this process is pretty simple. It doesn't involve any deeply hidden settings, so you should be able to follow along easily, but renaming it can help you keep it organized, and you of course need to know the right steps, so let's get into it. At first, let's make sure your Magic Mouse is connected to your Mac. If it's not already connected, go through the pairing process at first, and to do this, ensure your Magic Mouse is charged and turned on. Then open the Bluetooth settings on your Mac and look for the Magic Mouse. Just click connect and it should be done, right? The next thing is to open up the settings or the system preferences, which you can find on your Mac. You can do this by clicking on the Apple logo and finding it there, or you can also find it as an icon in your launchpad. But once you get inside, then navigate to the Bluetooth section, which can be found somewhere closer to the top. And in there, you should be able to see a list of recently connected devices. So locate your Magic Mouse in this list. You also should see an information icon next to it, which is marked by a little eye in a circle. It's really important you click on this information icon and not on any other button, which could end up disconnecting the Magic Mouse or something. So this icon will open up a new menu with several options for your Magic Mouse. And what you're gonna notice is that the first setting is the name of the device. This is exactly where you can rename your Magic Mouse. And the great thing is that the current name should already be selected for you. So you don't need to click rename or any additional buttons. Simply start typing the new name and you're gonna be done with this. Just don't forget to hit the done button to make sure that it just ends up actually saved as a new name. It is important to note that this new name will be visible to any other device you want to pair with your Magic Mouse in the future. So this means that this name isn't specific to your current Mac, but will apply universally to every device you use your mouse with. This can be specifically useful if you switch between the devices and you need to know and you need to be able to distinguish between the Magic Mouse, right? And all of the mice that you use just look the same, of course, so we need to know the names. So yeah, that's gonna be about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future.